Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Big Mac Tater Tot Casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in my multi-pan. I browned up 2 pounds of ground beef and I drained off the excess grease. Now to this, we're going to make our mac sauce. I'm going to start by adding in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm eyeballing this, guys. I'm going to add in 1 cup of Thousand Islands dressing. And this is a 2-cup bottle. Okay, that's looking about right. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. You can also use garlic powder for this, but don't use garlic salt. And guys, our weather's going crazy here in Pennsylvania. Yesterday it was 98 degrees, 99 degrees, and today it's 72 degrees and rainy. I mean, so go figure, you know. It's perfect weather to catch a cold. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of onion powder in. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And guys, this is going to be a real quick and easy recipe for a weeknight when you work all day. Now I'm going to give this a stir to combine it. My heat's off now. We're done with the stove part. I just want to stir this together, get it combined. Want to mix everything nice and well together. And Dexter's in the room quietly saying, "Eric, Eric." Okay, now to that I have 1 cup of dill pickle I diced up and 1 onion I diced up. We're going to add that in. We're going to stir that and blend it all together. It's starting to smell like a Big Mac, guys. Alright, now that I have my beef mixture all mixed together and evened out, I'm going to put 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese on here. Now, if you don't have a multi-pan that's big, like that's non-stick, at this point you would scrape all this into a greased 9x13 baking pan, and you would move on, spreading cheese over top of your beef mixture. You want to put a nice healthy layer of cheese on there. And a funny story about McDonald's, me and my brother go through the drive-thru. We work at the same place every day after work. He doesn't like cheese, so he orders a Big Mac without cheese, and I'd say probably half the time they skip and they put cheese on it. So then he has to take it back over and get a new burger. You know, it's like you can't even get that part right, guys. Alright, that's looking good. I'm going to take some frozen tater tots. We're going to layer them on top. And this here is a 32-ounce pack of tater tots. Just going to layer them on top there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for 40 to 45 minutes. Until the tater tots are golden brown. Cheese will be melted, everything will be heated through. Alright, this just came out of the oven and went for 40 minutes. You can see my tater tots are nice and golden brown. And we're going to dress this up with a little bit of shredded lettuce. As we all know, Big Macs have lettuce on them, shredded lettuce. Just want to sprinkle it around on there. Okay, that's looking good. I'm going to put some more Thousand Islands dressing on top. And some sesame seeds. Now the sesame seeds are optional, I just happen to have them on hand. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in there and give this a try. Start out here with some of the ground beef and some tater tot. We'll try to get a little bit of everything in a bite. And it's going to be hot. It's really good. It's not exactly like a Big Mac, but it's close. You get the flavor of the creamy beef with the Thousand Island and the mayonnaise in it. You pick up on the onion, the cheese, tater tot, and then you get hit with that fresh Thousand Island dressing and a crisp lettuce. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Big Mac Tater Tot Casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.